Hello children, in today's class we are going to see about common factors and common multiples. Look into exercise 3.4 first question. Find the common factors of 35 and 50. So this is the question. Okay. Factors of 35. Okay. 1, 35. Will it come in 2 table? No. 3, 4, 5? Yes. Comes in 5 table. 5 7s are 35. So only these are the factors of 35. Next, factors of 50. Okay. 1, 50, 2, 25. Will it come in 3 table? No. Will it come in 4 table? No. Will it come in 5 table? Yes. 5 10s are. Okay. So that's all. After that it won't come in any table. Okay. So what are the common factors here? So what are the common factors here? 1, 5, then that's all. Okay. So common factors are 1 and 5. Is it clear? So we are going to do the same thing for next question. Factors of 56. So how to write 1, 56. And in 2 table? Yes, it comes in 2 table, right? How much sir? 2 2s are 4. 1 is left out. 16. So 28. Okay. 28. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left out. 16. So 8. 28. Okay. Then will it come in 3 table? No. Will it come in 4 table? Yes. Okay. 4 how much are 56? 4 ones are 4 and 1 is left out. 4 4s are. So 14s are. Okay. Will it come in 6 table? No. Will it come in 7 table? Yes. 7 8s are. Okay. So these are the factors of 56. Now factors of 120. How will you find this? 120s are 120, 2 60s are 120, 3 40s are 120, 4 30s are 120, 5 how much are? 5 2s are 10, 2 is left out, right? 20. So 24. 2 25 10 5 24s are 120, 6 20s are 120. In 7, 8, 9 table it will not come. In 10 table it will come. 10, 12s are 120. So is it clear? So these are the factors of 120. So what are common here? 1, then 2, 4, then what you have? That's all, right? You don't have 14, 28 and all those things here. So the common factors are the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Clear? Coming to the next question, second question, find the common factors of B subdivision 5, 15 and 25. In the first question we saw how to find common factors for 2 given numbers. Now we are going to find factors for 3 given numbers. So factors of 5 equal to 1 and 5, that's all. Okay. So factors of 15, you have 1, 15, then 3 and 5. Yes or no? Yes. Then factors of 25, 1 25 are, then 5 5 are. That's all. Okay. So what are common here? 1 and 5. Okay. Therefore common factors are 1 and 5. So, are you clear with it? Find first three common multiples of 12 and 18. Okay, let us write the multiples of 18. Let us write the multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Okay. Next, multiples of 18. 18, 36, and then what you have? 54. Okay. Then 52, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162 and 180. Okay. Now see what are common here. 36 is common. Then what is common? 72 is common. Then 108 is common. Okay. So these are the first three common multiples of 12 and 18. Okay. So common multiples are 36, 72 and 108. Clear? Next, write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So let us write the multiples of 3. 3 below 100. Okay. So till 99 we have to write. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 31, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 91, 93, 96, 99, 100 and that's all. After this it goes beyond 100. Okay, so leave it. Now come for 4. Okay. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Then 44, 48, 40, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80. Then 84, 88, 92, 96 and 100. Okay. Is it clear? After that it goes beyond 100. So you need not write. So what are common here? 12. Then 24. Then 36. Then 48. Sixty, 72, 84, then 96. Okay. So these are the numbers that are common multiples of 3 and 4 that lies less than 100. Is it clear? Next, which of the following numbers are co-prime? What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Okay. For example, if you take 3 and 5, what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. So except 1 there is no common factor. So 3 and 5 are known as co-prime numbers. The same way here we have to find two subdivisions are given. We have to find whether these two numbers are co-prime pairs or not. Okay. This is the final question of today's class. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? Okay. So if a number is divisible by 5 and 12, other number it will be divisible. Okay. So that is the question. Okay. We know that 5 and 12 are co-primes. Yes or no? They don't have any common factors. 5 has only 1 and 5 as the factor. But 12 will have more factors. It is a composite number. Okay. It does not have 5 as its factor. So only 1 will be the common factor of both of them. So you can write, we know that 5 and 12 are co-primes. Okay. So if they are co-primes, you can do one thing. You can just multiply them. Okay. 5 into 12 is how much? 60. Okay. Since they don't have any common factors other than 1, therefore any number divisible by 5 and 12 will always be divisible by their product. Okay. So what is the product? 5 12s are 60. So is it clear? So with this today's class gets over. Thank you.